Hello and welcome to Bass Fishing 202. I'm your host, Lance Perticone. First, I'd like to say thank you to all my viewers and especially to my subscribers. I really appreciate your support. The dam of most impoundments provide an opportunity for fish, especially if it's covered with riprap as opposed to smoother concrete or earth. But the dam might be a mile long or more, so where do you start? The ends of the dam are usually likely spots, as are any places where there's a shoal or a river channel that butts up against the dam itself. Another clue is to look for a concentration of birds. And by birds, I'm specifically talking about egrets and herons. These birds are looking for shallow bait, and the bass are often nearby. Even today, when the water temperature was still in the 80s and the bass weren't really piled up on the rocks yet, the only bites I had were in the same places the herons and egrets were fishing. So thanks for spending a little of your time with me in Bass Fishing 202. Remember, it's just a little more advanced than Bass Fishing 101. Thanks again for subscribing. Please be well, and I'll see you all next time.